Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome girlfriend or welcome boyfriend. Please click on the subscribe button down below. So as we all know, tomorrow is Valentine's Day and I am in the mood. So I'm bringing you guys a simple look with two lip choices. So we're just going to go straight right into the video. As you can see, I already did my foundation, did my eyebrows, and I highlighted with the ColourPop concealer, and I just put that all over my lid as well. And now I'm setting with the Sacha Buttercup powder, and I'm just sweeping the brown mascara from Maybelline over my eyebrows just to make my brow hairs stay in place. And I'm just taking a really light brown shade as my transition shade, and I'm just slapping that all over my crease, and I'm doing that for this eye as well. Next, I'm just going to use a darker brown color, and I'm also putting that all over my crease, and I'm just going to blend that in. Now I'm just putting a gold shimmery eyeshadow color, and I'm just applying that all over my eyelid, and I'm just going to repeat that for the other eye. Next, I'll be using my Younger Beauty liquid eyeliner to draw a very thin wing liner. And I'm just going over my lashes with my mascara, and I'm going to be highlighting my face with the same ColourPop concealer in deep golden. I'm not sure what the name is, I'm so sorry guys, but I'm just going to blend all of that into my skin. Next, I'm going to be applying my eyelashes, and I'm going to do a more detailed tutorial on how I apply my lashes.
You're not only washing, you are doing real thing. Why your skin multicolor if you didn't use cream?
Going in with the Hega and Esther contour kit, I'm just going to be contouring the perimeter of my face, and when I'm done with that, I'm just going to blend in with the Nude Beauty sponge. Gosh, why do I keep saying sponge? Then I'm going to be setting with the Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just going to set the areas that I have highlighted, basically my under eye, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow area. Next, I'm going to be contouring. I'm going to be setting the contoured areas with my Ezekiel Cosmetics powder palette, and I'm using the darkest powder shade there because that's the only shade that can actually show that I have some contour on my face. The rest are just too light. Actually, just one more, and that one is just too light. I'm also going to be contouring my nose. So now I'm just putting powder all over my face to set everything. Then I'm going to be applying my blush. I can't remember the name of this blush as well. I'm so sorry guys. Next, I'm just going to be going over my eyelashes with my mascara just to thicken it a little bit, and then I'm going on to apply my eye pencil. Next, I'm just going to use the second color I use as my transition color, and I'm just going to be smudging that in my bottom lash line, and I'm putting a little bit of glow in my tear dots, in my brow bone, and I'm just going to repeat that in my other brow bone, my cupid's bow, and the bridge of my nose. Then I'm just going to spray my face. Then I'm just going to take the same glow and apply to the high point of my cheeks, and then I'm just going to be putting that on my temple as well. And for this video I told you guys I was using 2 lip colors, and here are the lip colors. The lip colors are from Younger Beauty and I absolutely love them. And I really believe that they stay for like a really long time, because I've used their lipstick a couple of times and I've had them till like late in the night and they didn't go anywhere. Yes guys, that is it for the first look, and we're just going to move into the second look shortly after I strike a pose, of course, or 2 or 3. And this is the second look, guys. Let me know what look you guys will lean towards too. So are you a nude girl or would you go for the red look? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like, thumbs up, and share this video. Bye guys.